Welcome to this video on cybersecurity. In today's digital world, cybersecurity is more important than ever. The threat of cyber attacks and data breaches is constantly increasing, and it's crucial that we take steps to protect ourselves and our businesses from these risks. In this video, we will discuss what cybersecurity is, why it's important, and what steps you can take to protect yourself and your business from cyber threats. What is cybersecurity? Cybersecurity refers to the practice of protecting devices, networks, and data from unauthorized access, use, disclosure, disruption, modification, or destruction. It involves implementing security measures to prevent and mitigate cyber attacks and other threats to information systems. Why is cybersecurity important? Cybersecurity is important for several reasons. First, it helps protect sensitive information such as personal data, financial information, and intellectual property from unauthorized access and use. Second, it helps prevent the disruption of critical systems and services, such as power grids, transportation systems, and healthcare facilities. Finally, it helps build trust and confidence in digital technologies, which are increasingly central to our daily lives. Steps to protect yourself and your business. Now, let's discuss some steps you can take to protect yourself and your business from cyber threats. Use strong passwords. Use strong passwords that are difficult to guess and include a combination of letters, numbers, and symbols. Keep software up to date. Keep your software and operating system up to date with the latest security patches and updates to prevent vulnerabilities from being exploited. Use antivirus software. Install and use antivirus software to protect against malware and other types of malicious software. Be wary of suspicious emails. Be cautious of suspicious emails, and do not click on links or download attachments from unknown senders. Limit access to sensitive data. Limit access to sensitive data to only those who need it and implement security controls to protect that data.